July with a slow note. We initially learned some usage of Excel, usage of spreadsheet, sources of data, exploring BSc and SC websites. We started learning some formulas which could be useful while doing research. We moved further. We learned the type of analysis, types of workflows, and deep dive into GDP. And you all gave a good research report on GDP, past, present, future of different countries, and we were able to know where India stands. We were able to know how GDP is related with your stock market. We tried to learn from GDP how it affects demand. Then you tried to learn demanding sectors. You tried to watch which sectors were growing in India, which were decaying. We tried to see the sectors in the terms of data. We tried to check how to analyze the sectors which are able to grow. We moved further, searching top quality companies from these sectors. While analyzing top quality companies, you tried to search those companies which were able to have a better share, the companies with better margin from same businesses, the companies able to do business with lesser equity and lesser debt, the companies with consistency. Get ready. Now further we are going to get deep dive in understanding the behavior of these companies, how these companies sales and profit grows and falls during long term, what they did during last 10-15 years and what to expect in coming 10-15 years. And now is the time when we are going to check their prices, how price behave in long term and short term, how price behave whenever their sales get down, whenever their sales get rally, how price behave when due to some raw material your profits are muted. You will try to learn this behavior from their long term movements. July batch, get ready for behavior science. June batch, which I have started 1 month back, you have already learned the behavior of your shares. Last week we tried to learn important aspect of each and every sector. Which sector is depend on what raw material, what is the major cost of that particular sector which can affect their profits. We try to understand who are our peer investors, and yes, we are going to discuss this Thursday on your queries. So get ready, manage the time in the better way, have focused approach, learn less but learn thoroughly, do your exercises with your teams. After completing your exercise, just check what other investors, what your other team member have done their work, and try to learn from other people's work. Try to learn from whole team, as everybody is doing different sectors. Everybody are learning from different companies. Try to gather data from each and every team member. Right? Move further. Yes, still in coming time we have to deep dive in several other factors. Get ready.